Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking Matters. My name is Collin Spear. I'm with the Lost River Market in Deli, and today we're making sweet potato pumpkin soup. The ingredients you'll need for today's video are vegetable broth, sour cream, onions, pureed pumpkin, sweet potatoes, garlic, ginger, curry, cumin, and nutmeg, oil, and milk. 1.5 cups of water. The materials you'll need for today's class are a cutting board, a large pot, a knife, a ladle, and a vegetable peeler. Our first step today will be to rinse all of our vegetables and then peel our sweet potatoes. After we peel our sweet potatoes, we can go ahead and cube those, chop our onion, and mince our garlic. We're now going to add our oil to our pot and heat over medium-high heat. Add our onions to the pot. We're going to saute those for 3 minutes. We're going to add in our garlic and our spices. Stir those up and let those cook for 1 minute. Add our broth and sweet potato. Add our pumpkin and bring the mixture to a boil. We're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the sweet potato is soft. You'll want to stir intermittently while it's simmering. We're going to add in our milk and stir it, and don't let it boil after the milk is added. This is our final product. You'll top it off with a dollop of sour cream. This is hot enough to keep you warm from the cool fall days, and it's nutritious and delicious.